Hi, this is Bloom. In this video, we'll show you how to create a liquid animation using the Newton plugin. First, we'll demonstrate how to achieve a liquid effect using shape layers. We create an adjustment layer and apply the fast box blur effect. Increase the blur radius to the desired value. Then add levels and switch the channel to alpha. Adjust the lower parameters to get the look you want.
As you can see, we've achieved a liquid effect.
Now, let's try creating liquid using the Newton plugin. For this example, we'll create a cup using a shape layer. Then, we'll create the future water flow, also using a shape layer. We use a script that helps convert the shape layer into multiple smaller layers. We'll leave a link to the script in the description.
In the settings, we set distance between solids to 2 and solid size to 18, but you can adjust these values as needed. Once the layers are created, go to Newton. Make sure to disable the layers you don't want to apply physics to. Select the cup layer and set Mesh Precision to 10. Change its type to static. Then select all the other layers and add velocity magnitude. Increase angular damping, reduce friction, and increase bounciness. If you're satisfied with the result, click Render. A new composition with the finished animation should be created. Turn off the cup walls and create an adjustment layer. Apply the same effects as before and tweak the blur and levels values to achieve the desired result. Now, let's look at a version with an animated cup. Go into Newton and move the cup to the desired position. Then change its type to kinematic. You'll notice that after the animation ends, the cup falls. To fix this, duplicate the last keyframe and move it further along the timeline. Now the cup stays in place. Finally, let's add volume to the liquid. Create a pre-compose and duplicate it. Apply a fill effect to the top layer. Use the bottom layer as a mask. Duplicate it again and enable the bottom layer. Add fast box blur to the top layer. Your liquid is ready! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. It really helps support our growth.